Fourth unit, we can have seen that in last class is the history of e-commerce. Now we see the benefits of e-commerce. So benefits of e-commerce, what will the benefits you will get by if you are doing the e-commerce means you will get the benefits of related to the global nature. We can sell our product national international level. At the same time, the global nature and technology is also going to improve. At the same time, low cost and opportunity research. At the same time, billions of people are interacting with the global nature and the variety of possibilities of resourcefulness of the growth and the supporting the infrastructure, especially the result the result is maybe we visualize the increase the significance of e-commerce and going to expanding the e-commerce in a wide variety of industrial revolution. So benefits of e-commerce we will see in the classification. We're going to classify it in three types of benefits you will get. First will be the benefits to the organization. So benefits to the organization means what the organizations get the benefit with the help of e-commerce, right? First we see the what the organization get the benefit means by through with the help of e-commerce the business can we can get the national international level benefits. So national international benefits how we will get means a company can easily and quickly locate more customers at the best suppliers and the most suitable business partners worldwide. Is nothing but we can do our business very quickly in the location from one place to the another place. At the same time we can supply the customers to the product. At the same time we can get the worldwide partners, right? Then again second point we can if we have follow the e-commerce we can decrease the cost of the creativeness. Is nothing but for distributing or storing or retraining the or at the same time we can reduce the paper based information related to your. Suppose if you are online doing transactions, if we have to do the purchasing administration by the various information. For that we can reduce the paperwork also. That time benefits get the organization. Then again third will be where they have ability to create the specialized business. So ability to create the specialized business means if you have to purchase any department they have to fill the specialized department is nothing but technical or non-technical. Maybe for example they have given dog toys which can be purchased only in the pet shop department, right? Where it can be available only in the pet shop department. For pet shop department who will be give, they will going to give the otherwise you can purchase this department by the specialized. It is nothing but they are given www.dogtoys.com or www.cattoys. All those things toys will be available with the help of e-commerce. Then again next will be where e-commerce will reduce the inventories and overhead and facilitating the pull the type of supply chain management. With the help of e-commerce we can reduce the inventory cost. Then next will be where customizations of productions and services which provide the competitive advantages to its implemented. Is by the help of e-commerce we can give the processing. We can go to push our product and pull our product with the help of e-commerce. Then again just we can make with the help of e-commerce we can make the supply chain management. Nothing but we can create a chain to the customers, but is nothing but just in time manufacturing process we can follow. Then again next will be where the product we can get the competitive advantages by its implementing. Then again we can reduce the time between the quality and quantity and receipt of the product and services. Then again we can get the productivities of salespersons or knowledge or workers administrative can changing their purchasing power process with the 100% in increased in more. So 100% increases more in the sense with the help of e-commerce they're going to initiate the business process. Nothing but developing the step by step by the business. How are you developing the business step by step with the help of knowledge workers or administrative or increase their increase by this 100% or more, right? Then again next will be work. E-commerce can lower telecommunication cost on internet is much cheaper than the value added network. So suppose if we have to do the telecommunication in network means we have to some mbs will going we don't know, right? But it should be cost will be there, right? Internet cost we have to. But if you make a chain link, like I have already told you supply chain management, if you make a chain link means they can over we can add the value added networks. Is nothing but we can add our networks areas. Is nothing but we're going to connect the people or customers from one person to the another person. At the same time the organization get the benefit by improving the image or are they improving their customs or services and they can find the partners or simplify the process of comprising the cycle. There is nothing but the organization is going to do the eliminating the paperwork. Then again expanding their information and reduce the transportation cost and increase the flexibilities of an organization's point of view. So these are the advantages we'll get. The benefit will get the with the help of e-commerce from the point of view of organization, right? Next